Welcome back to the FreeMelon Society, ladies and gentlemen. I am Eli Martyr. Today we are going to be sharing a very simple raw food idea that you can have at your leisure whenever you want a quick dinner, quick snack, or even if you're on the road traveling, this can work anywhere you're going, really. So it's called a gorilla wrap. You might have heard this term thrown around every once in a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the kitchen and I'm going to kind of show you what it's all about. All you're doing is you're grabbing bananas, okay? Cheapest, most available type of food that you can find in any conventional grocery store. So you're just going to grab some bananas, make sure they're ripe. You know, they've got the black spots all over them. They're a bit soft. You want ripe bananas. And all you have to do is you open up the banana, grab some lettuce. Ideally you want those big green leaf lettuce or romaine. Romaine works as well, but really any kind of lettuce. Just toss the banana into the goddamn lettuce leaf and then you wrap it up and eat it like a taco. That's it. It's very simple, very easy. It's fun. Now what I'm doing here, just to be fun, is I'm adding a couple of soaked dates. These dates have been in my fridge for a long time, unused, and so I don't want to keep them in there forever, so I just decided, okay, maybe I'll just soak them and then experiment with them. I've never used them in a gorilla wrap like this before, so whatever, I'll just give it a shot. And turns out it's actually really good. So yeah, this is just another brain dead simple idea. Like I said, I've never been a cook, I've never been any sort of recipe master, yet all my years eating vegan, cooked vegan, I didn't know anything really about cooking. It was just intuitively just putting stuff together that I felt that I liked, right? And it was super simple. And of course, once you start going raw, things are even more simple. Just come up with whatever you like, okay? It's very simple, very intuitive. 2 seconds in the kitchen, not even in the kitchen, you could be literally in your car. If you're on a road trip somewhere, you pass by a grocery store, these are all elements that you can just go into the grocery store, grab, and then eat. There aren't too many excuses here. People say, raw food is hard, I don't know what to eat, I'm gonna starve. I can't do it while I'm on the road, I can't do it when I'm going out, I can't do it, no. Yes, you can. So anyway, that's it. Yeah, super simple. Give this a shot. I've heard it called gorilla wrap before, so whatever, I'll use that term. I'm sure you can use gorilla wraps for other types of fruit. It just works well with bananas. You could try it with very ripe plantain. If you do use it with plantain, make sure that the plantain is honestly more black than yellow. Plantains have to be very ripe. If you do cook your foods, if you do cook your plantain, if you do cook your bananas, it would work just the same and taste quite amazing as well. Okay, so anyway, that's it. That's my meal tip for today, guys. Give it a shot. Enjoy your transition from cooked to raw if that's where you're at. If not, then this is just another simple idea that you can add to your diet to keep you healthy, keep you well, and keep you regular. There it is. There's my fresh 2-second preparation gorilla wrap banana with date. Oh my god, so good, so good. Thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe to the subscribe to the FreeMelon Society if you like these videos, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time on the FreeMelon Society. All right, take care.